Hello again. This is the second question from the topic of areas and perimeters of two-dimensional figures. The question states, the sides of a triangle are 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 7 centimeters. The longest side of a similar triangle is 21 centimeters. Find the length of the other sides of a similar triangle. And so you can pause the video anytime and read the question on your own. So the solution, I've gone ahead and drawn the triangles because that will just be a waste of time on camera. So these are our triangles. I've labeled them ABC and XYZ. As you can see, ABC is fully labeled. We have all sides, and XYZ, we only have the YZ side, which is 21 centimeters. And our task is to calculate this side and that side. Okay, so step 1. So step 1 is calculate the value of K. K is a similarity constant since both are similar. Okay, so let's write this down. So K will be equal to AB over XY. So AB over XY, which will be equal to AC over XZ, AC over XZ, which will also be equal to BC over YZ, BC over YZ. Okay. Now, let us use BC and YZ to get the value of K first. So K equals to BC over YZ, which is 7 over 21, which gives us 1 over 3. So the value of K is 1 over 3, and we're going to use this to get the other sides. So step 2, calculate the value for, let's start with the side XY. So calculate the value for XY. So K equals to AB over XY. Making XY the subject gives us XY equals to AB over K. So XY will be equal to, what is AB? 5 over 1 over 3. So XY equals to 5 times 3, which gives us 15 centimeters. So we've gotten our first side. So answer, XY equals 15 centimeters. Okay, so that is the first side. Then we have, so this is question 2, step number 3. And now we're going to calculate the value. So calculate the value for, now we're going to calculate the next value, which is XZ. XZ. Remember from our figure, XZ corresponds with AC, which is 6. So this time we're going to use K equals AC divided by XZ. So K is 1 over 3 equals to 6 over XZ. So making XZ the subject gives us XZ equals to 6 times 3. XZ equals 18 centimeters. Okay, so XZ is 18 centimeters. So second answer, XZ equals 18 centimeters. And so final answer. The remaining two sides have 15 centimeters and 18 centimeters. So that is the solution for this question. Thank you all.